In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set hatch origin in AutoCAD, align patterns precisely. If you've ever seen a hatch pattern that looks slightly misaligned across rooms or doesn't line up with a key feature like a tile corner or a grid line, this quick technique will help you anchor the pattern exactly where you want it. Think of the hatch origin as the starting pin that tells AutoCAD where to begin drawing the pattern. By resetting it, you control how the pattern repeats and lines up across your drawing without changing the scale or angle. Start by opening your drawing and selecting the hatched area you want to adjust. Make sure you actually click on the hatch itself, not the boundary line work. When it's selected, you'll see grips on the hatch object, which confirms you've got the right thing. Next, open the hatch editor. You can do this in two easy ways. Type hatch edit on your keyboard and press enter, or simply right-click on the selected hatch and choose hatch edit. If the editor doesn't appear, double check that the object selected is a hatch. Once the hatch editor is open, you'll see options that control the hatch's properties, but we're focusing on the origin. Click the Set Origin button in the Hatch Editor tab. This tells AutoCAD you're about to choose a new starting point for the pattern. Your cursor becomes ready to pick a point in the drawing, but nothing changes yet. Now, click a precise point in your drawing to define the new hatch origin. Pick a location that makes visual and technical sense, such as a tile corner, a grid intersection, or a key datum point. For accuracy, use object snaps like endpoint, midpoint, or intersection, so the origin lands exactly where it should. When you click, the hatch will instantly realign itself to start from that point. Don't worry if the pattern appears to shift, that's expected. You're not changing angle or scale here, only the anchor point that controls how the pattern repeats. If you're coordinating multiple hatches, consider using the same origin reference point on each one so they align consistently across different areas. Finally, click OK or close Hatch Editor to apply the change. Your hatch will now be aligned based on the new origin, giving a cleaner, more intentional look to your patterns. That's all you need to precisely align hatch patterns by setting a new origin. It's a small adjustment that makes a big difference in presentation and coordination.